Hi, my name is Marcus, and for this video, I want to make a hydroponic farm. Specifically, we're going to make a Wick hydroponic system. For those of you who don't know, hydroponics is the practice of growing plants in a soilless environment. That means no dirt, and you basically use water and nutrient-rich water. Specifically, we're going to be using the Wick hydroponic system. And this really cool physics phenomenon called capillary action. It's actually way cooler than I expected. Yeah, let's just get into it. So this is a pot. It has holes in it. This is a pot without holes in it. This is minerals. It's like nutrients. This is our. It's going to serve as our wick. It's cotton. And this is perlite, which is going to be like our growing media.
There's only one beer left. Rappers screaming all in our ears like we're deaf. Tempt me, do a number on a label. Beat up all the MCs and drink them under the table like it's on me. Put it on my tab, kid, however you put it.
I realized that I need to make sure these seeds are well placed inside the perlite. As you can see, kind of. But to do that, I need to know what is the ratio of mineral to water. So I'm gonna look that up real quick, and I'll be right back. So I actually lost the footage of the rest of the montage, but I do have this right here. This is actually, it started growing, going pretty well. I just want to quickly explain how the capillary action works. So if you can see, this is a like fibrous material, or I'm not sure how you say that, but basically because water is a sticky substance, it passes through the material, and if you've ever seen a tissue paper or something like that get wet and it spreads through the material, it's the same thing happening here, except with cord. So now it's able to feed these little guys because of this really neat trick. For the rest, I'll be updating weekly with YouTube Shorts. And so I hope you guys enjoyed.
He plots shows like robberies. In and out, 1, 2, 3, nobody's please. Run the cash and you won't get a wet sweatshirt.